Growing up, I heard Garman say more times than I can count that we actually owed something to the community where we lived and worked. That because we were able to work and thrive and make a living in the community, that it was up to us to put back, to give back to that community. Was very involved in the music industry in Oklahoma, worked with some of the early people that put recording studios in town, and he recorded the Oklahoma Symphony Orchestra for 35 years and edited those tapes for replay on radio so that people who couldn't afford to go to the symphony could listen to the symphony a week later on a Sunday afternoon on public radio so they could hear those same pieces and be exposed to that music and that culture.
And he did a lot of recording for a lot of other people also, either in his den, which was almost like a recording studio in itself. He built his own audio console because it was cleaner, lower noise, better frequency response than any of the commercial stuff that was made. This is a little tiny mono to stereo or stereo to mono mixer. He built some of his own tape machines, he built his own turntable, he built his own television audio tuner, he made all his own circuit boards for all the electronic gadgets he made. And there was also a line of electronic products that Garman and another guy made, from power amplifiers and some pre-amplifiers.
Garman was so talented that if you needed something, he'd make it for you.
He would solve all kinds of problems, and he could repair, a lamp, and it would be prettier and better than before. I mean, just almost anything you brought him, he would improve upon it.